Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. Some of you already know, but I pulled this old girl out of the space. She's been sitting in the shadows for quite a while. I dug out a few parts from the parts bin. Got a couple of carburetors. That one's too big for it. But anyways, we're gonna get this thing running back in operation. We originally decommissioned it because it was running like crap, and we decided to change the gear out here. See if we get a different type of reaction out of it. And just here's a reference of what the original gear was. So got that. This one's the same size as what's on there. So quite a bit different. So I already did a video where I started it up. I didn't have the fuel tank attached to it, and I just sprayed right into the carburetor. And it was trying to run. So I'm gonna take that as a yeah. She wants to run, so let's make her run. A little bit of work on that. So as we're putting this one together, we will actually be unburying a good old scooter. I know some of you guys have been asking for me to do a direct drive video, and my plan is, as we unbury that machine by taking the body parts and installing them onto this one, that one will get unburied and that'll be the next one on the bench. I can do that video really easy, but we got to unbury it by fixing this one first. So in the meantime, I've got my camera guy here. He's ready to go. I think he does a nice job. Let's see here. Adjust him a little bit. And just roll around just like that. I'm not sure about the lighting yet, but we'll see. If you guys like my videos, hit that like button, follow me, subscribe, you know, the usual. It would help me out a lot. Anyways, till the next video's out, I'll keep you updated on that thing. I think it'll go pretty easily, but till then, I'm out.